Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini Priyadarshini Megur, also known as Avi, and I'm a PhD student in the field of biology. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the Ordinary Ascorbyl Glucoside Solution 12%. What are the different ingredients present in it, and is it good for all skin types? If you see this ascorbyl glucoside, you might be thinking what it is. It is a vitamin C ingredient. There is L-ascorbic acid, and there are different types of vitamin C which are water soluble. One of the water soluble vitamin C is the ascorbyl glucoside. So it kind of penetrates into your skin, but it is not really good at getting absorbed and then lipid soluble. So it doesn't show the brightening effect as the serum claims. Whereas this ingredient, it kind of boosts the collagen production and kind of plumps up your skin, and also removes the free radical by exhibiting a powerful antioxidant property. This ingredient will not help you with reducing your hyperpigmentation mark and brightening up your skin. This is good for the people who are showing signs of aging and want to boost the collagen production, and it is a very light form of vitamin C. So it is not really heavy, and it doesn't show like allergic reaction when added in higher concentration. So this ingredient is safe to use by all skin type, and it is really good if you will add it up with another type of vitamin C that can be 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid, which helps with the improvement of the dull skin. And if you add 3-O-ethyl-ascorbic acid and ascorbyl glucoside together, it does a good job with both the benefits of uneven skin tone as well as a collagen production. Okay, now talking about the formulation of this ordinary vitamin C serum. So the first ingredient is water, and in 12% is ascorbyl glucoside. Then there is propanediol. It is a humectant, helps with attaching the water molecules and helps to hydrate your skin. After that, there is aminomethyl propanol, which is a pH adjuster, and following to that is triethanolamine, again a pH adjuster. So the pH should be ranging on the skin from 5 to 5.5. That is when the absorption of the ingredient is much better. So that's why these two ingredients are added, so that it can be in an optimal pH and it can be absorbed better by the skin. There is 1,2-hexanediol, which is another humectant, helps with holding the water, and it improves the hydration on the skin. The formulation is pretty straightforward, and all the skin types can use it. Even if you are darker skin type, you can use it. Even the Caucasian skin type, you can use it. As I warned before, it is not for the uneven skin tone. It is mostly towards the free radical scavenging and collagen production. So the people who are suffering from aged skin, it is a good favorable choice for you, because the main motto of your skin should be production of collagen to have that rigid shape. So this one is good for the aged skin. You have to understand that this is a type of vitamin C. So the actual potent ingredient of vitamin C is L-ascorbic acid, and this is not a potent type of vitamin C. It is a derivative of vitamin C. So it is water soluble, but it is not as effective as L-ascorbic acid itself. The another thing I did not like about this formulation is the packaging. Although vitamin C are very unstable in presence of light, they don't like oxygen, so they turn yellow and their efficiency gets reduced. So due to this reason, the packaging matters the most. You need to have a pump sealed bottle. You need to just take out adequate amount, and that is when it retains the shelf life of the vitamin C. Here it's in a dropper bottle. It is water soluble, but I would say that packaging matters the most in vitamin C formulation. Even though it is stable than the L-ascorbic acid and it is less irritating than L-ascorbic acid, but the packaging, if it's done in a dropper bottle, even the shelf life of this ingredient also gets reduced. So try to keep it away from the direct sunlight and try to seal it properly after using it, and one more suggestion is that don't touch the dropper tip to your skin. Keep a distance while dropping a little bit of product. That would be really good. And just be very, very cautious, because do a patch test before using any skincare formulation. That is the one tip that I like to tell everyone, because you don't know how you will react to this particular ingredient. So you need to do a patch test and then continue using it on your face. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below or reach out to me on my Instagram handle. Make sure that you hit that like button as well as subscribe button, because it helps my channel to grow. And I will see you soon in another video. Take care and bye.